Life gives everyone a pause, sometimes a long break. Maybe you lost motivation in your studies. Maybe your career stopped, your results disappointed you, or life became heavy. But remember one thing: a comeback is always stronger than a setback. And today's message is for every student, every dreamer, every person who wants to rise again. We all fall. We get distracted. We lose focus. We compare ourselves with others until our confidence breaks. But failure doesn't mean you're weak. Failure means you tried. And if you tried once, you can try again. This time, smarter, stronger, and more disciplined. Your comeback starts the moment you say, "Enough. I deserve better." Think of the future version of you, standing confidently, financially stable, respected, successful, and peaceful. That future you is calling you today. Don't give up. Don't stop. You are meant for more. Your family wants to see you shine. Your younger self wished for this success. Allah never wastes your hard work, and opportunities always open for the hardworking and the patient. Your comeback is not just for marks, it's for your dignity, confidence, and future. 1. Start small. Don't aim for 8 hours a day from day one. Start with 30 minutes, then increase slowly. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. 2. Organize your study or career goals. Write what subject you need to restart, which skill you must build, what career step comes next, what you want to achieve in 3 months. Clarity gives direction. 3. Remove distractions. One decision today can change everything. Put your phone on silent. Delete useless apps. Create a study or work corner. Tell your mind, no more wasting time. 4. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Intentions matter. Do the work even when you don't feel like it. 1. Don't compare yourself. Someone else's speed is not your standard. Allah made your journey different. What matters is progress, not perfection. 2. Rewrite your story. You can fail 100 times, but people remember the one time you succeed. Your comeback is the chapter that proves your character. 3. Replace fear with effort. Fear says, "What if I fail again?" Effort says, "What if I succeed this time?" Choose effort. 4. Accept your past. Don't stay there. Whatever mistakes you made, forgive yourself. Walk forward. Every champion once had a broken chapter. Here is a simple plan to restart your studies or career. Morning. Wake up early. Read your goals for the day. Do 1 hour focused study or work. Afternoon. Revision of what you studied. Learn one skill related to your career. Night. 30 minutes reading. Plan tomorrow. Light reflection. What did I improve today? Do this for 7 days and see how your confidence returns. Your comeback starts with one decision today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, right now. Say it with me. I am coming back stronger. I will rebuild my study life. I will rebuild my career. Allah is with me. Your journey is not over. You're just entering a new chapter. A chapter where you rise again. This is your comeback. This is your time. And you will win, inshallah.